Yo guys, what's up? So for today's video, we're gonna talk about the update. As Spectre said, the update is already complete. Plus, as Spectre said, maybe 1 month or 2 months, he will release the update. So this is what we're waiting for. So many sneak peeks in the Strongest Battlegrounds Discord. There are many sneak peeks. Sorry guys, I can show you guys because I deleted my Discord and I need to download it later. By the way guys, did you guys already done the email second Discord? Mine is not. I'm still not fixing it because I've been not using Discord for 1 month. Sorry for the late video because I have been doing something. I'm busy of studies. Plus I'm busy playing other game without a video. So let's get into the video. We're gonna talk about, like I said, we're gonna talk about the update. Cosmic Girl is almost out, and it will be March 31st or maybe April 31st. So we need to wait guys. It will be long time. But they promise they will update it because the update is so long didn't release. Why didn't release the update? Because all Mr. Cool and Spectre are just doing some things like the animation, and the other developers are not helping them. So that's all it I know. There will be a new game modes, maps, private server. Don't worry guys, Tech Prodigy is gonna be free. Yeah, this character, wait, let me get this character, this cool thing character. And there will be a new early access character guys. So you must get the early access. Sorry for not giving away the Game Pass because I don't have any Robux. I'ma prove it to you guys. I'm just 11 years old. Look. See? I have 0 balance guys. Sorry guys. That's all for today guys. Thank you and please like and subscribe. Bye!